Welcome everyone on behalf of 4x4 India and La Himalaya. I welcome you all to the great Himalayas in Narkanda. We are at Tethi Ski Resort at a height of 9,000 feet, and there you can see Hatu Peak. It is the highest peak of Shimla district, and there's a beautiful temple there. We can't take our cars right now there because there is about 4 to 5 feet of snow, and it is the highest peak of Shimla district. You can see 500 miles of great Himalayan range from this peak on any given day.
On a clear day.
On a clear day, subject to you are able to reach there. You know, you have to walk. It is about 7 kilometers from this place, and the biggest attraction in Shimla district nowadays. So again, I am so much thankful to all of you for driving all the way from Vishakhapatnam, from Mumbai, Chennai, Kerala. So you know, for him Kerala is like local. And of course I thank Shibu sir for every time, you know, driving to this place and further. So friends, we are together now for another 9 days, and the intent is to have loads of fun. Intent is to bring out your kid inside you, enjoy and be happy in whatever we face. This is our 13th edition of 4x4 Winter Spiti expedition. We did our first expedition in 2016 with Off-Road Club of Gujarat, and that was the first time we didn't had any idea what are we going to do and how are we going to manage. But the team was fantastic. We got stuck. We drove about 110 kilometers on snow, and it was a great journey. And to date, you know, this is, as I said, 13th expedition, and this year, like, it's all our 4x4 India and La Himalaya are doing it together. So the reason we have gathered here right now is to, you know, I wanted to brief you about the terrain and everything. So as far as today is concerned, we will be driving to Baga Sarahan. Baga Sarahan falls in Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. There are total 12 districts in Himachal, and it's a beautiful place. And I think you are also going for the first time. First time. And Nikam sir has been there with in summers, and we had a great time there. So today we will be staying in small cottages, and I am sure that all of you will enjoy the place. So the drive will be around 5 to 6 hours drive. First we will go down, touch Satluj river, we'll cross the river Satluj, and then we will start going up to Baga Sarahan. So some important points. Everybody has got the radio, all the cars, everybody has got. So I have given you the chargers as well. So on the last day when we come back, I want both the things. You know, if anyone is missing, but you have to pay for that. That is one. Number two, has everybody got snow chains?
Yes.
Have you got everyone?
No. I don't have the exact size. It's R16.
And your size is what?
R17.
R17. So we will have. So we will you can change it. Okay. So he's excited, and excitement is important.
You didn't introduce him.
Okay, before anything, Shivu sir, let's introduce ourselves. Before anything, then I will continue. Let's have a small introduction, sir, from you, starting from.
My name is Girish. I came from Vishakhapatnam, and he's my partner, Chandrasekhar. We drove together.
Wow.
And in a brand new Isuzu e-Cross,
Yeah.
which you picked up, I think, last month.
Yeah, last month
only.
Only to come to this expedition.
Yes.
Hats off.
Thank you.
Sir.
My name is Rajat. I'm driving from Mumbai with my wife and my kid.
Great. And by the way, Rajat is coming for the second time. He
For
was here
second
last
time,
year
yeah.
as well, alone.
Same
And
year.
he went
It's
back.
actually the same year. So Jan 2019.
Yeah, sorry,
and
last season actually.
December
Yeah, last season.
Last season.
And he wanted to come back with his family. So thank you, Rajat. And he's in that Pajero Sport, silver color. Yeah. Next one, sir. AG, please.
Abraham George, I'm from Kerala. I came with Shibu.
And now you're coming from?
I'm coming from Muscat.
So I had to, do a 2,250 kilometer airport pickup drive just because of that guy. He was supposed to come to Kerala because he didn't get leave. I mean, he's in the middle of a project completion.
Okay, my name is Sunil Abraham from Kerala. I came with Shibu and Abraham George. We had a wonderful drive from Chandigarh till here. We met at Chandigarh.
Hi, this is Piyush. I'm from New Delhi, and this is my first trip actually.
Great.
And I'm with my partner.
Hi guys, Gaurav, I'm here from Gurgaon.
So I'm Vinay, my wife Beena, he is Arya and Varun. So we are doing this from Chennai the first time with Shibu. Great to be here and looking forward to spending a good time.
Great, great. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for coming all the way.
Yeah, and Vinay drives at Land Rover Discovery, and he was planning to come with another car, and then then he was not very sure, so he decided to change it and picked up this.
So Shibu was instrumental in me getting this car. Actually.
Yes. So we actually met in Chennai for a meet,
Yeah.
and then you were supposed to come in the Kodiak. Right?
Yeah.
So I was not sure, but then I didn't want to disappoint you because he said let's try. And then Vinay called me and said I'm planning to change car, and then luckily we found, and whatever he was finding was not, he was not happy with the color. I mean the vehicles available in Chennai, and then he got it
It's
from
a small world. Like Shibu contacted somebody in the
Bangalore.
Bangalore dealership, we got it. So it was just
Great.
Yeah, great. Thank you.
Thank you. And yes.
My name is Jatin Grover. I am from Shimla.
okay.
That's it.
And he drives that Silver Gypsy. More.
Hi, I'm Jitendra.
And he'll be
Chief
the
mechanic.
backup chief mechanic, and he will assist us in any problem if we come across.
Anything and everything.
if we come across.
मेरा नाम सुनील डोगरा मैं यहाँ से नारिंदा से
Kaku is from here, and he's been, we've been doing this, I don't know, kitne bar kiya, just 12?
Sari, all the expeditions.
He is there, right? He's
He's there.
He is the main guy, like anything and everything, find him, and he's from here, and he does this on a daily basis. He has to, snow drive is his like daily drive.
Daily drive.
Yeah, hi, I'm Devashish. I'm from Himachal only, but currently in Noida. So this is my first snow expedition. I've been to Spiti before, but this is the first snow expedition, so really looking forward to it.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you, Andy.
I'm Nityan and this is my second expedition. I did my first expedition last year in December, and it's good to be back.
Great. Wow.
So he's my co-driver and assistant. I'm not considering him my son, but my assistant as of now.
He's making him run around and do all the work.
So please introduce yourself, guys.
Hi, myself Vikas Yadav. Although I came from Delhi, first time I met with Sir in Kufri when I came with the BBT. So I'm also quite excited, and he's my mate Satyam. He's also came here for the first time, and this is my third time when I'm doing this expedition. Not with the sir, with sir, it's my first time. So I hope we all will enjoy together.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Shibu Varghese, as most of you know, and I've met some of you yesterday. So I manage this group, or I started this group called 4x4 India, which is now 9-year-old, and now which has happened to be the largest off-roading community in India, with about 125,000 members and counting. Thank you. And we have members from 103 countries.
Wow.
And this could be Indians or any other nationality, and very active group. And the reason why we are doing this, because a lot of people say, okay, we are part of the community, now what? So then I thought, okay, we have to engage people, or we also need to connect. So that is how we started these events. And again, we started doing events since 2009 itself. I mean, from the very first year, small events, different parts of India, meets, and then last 4 years, we are associated, and we've been doing events. And for the first time this year, or first time ever, we are doing 6 events back to back. And we are the first ones to go to Spiti. So excited to be here, and then really looking forward some great experience and memories to take home. Thank you all, and welcome you all once again.
Thank you so much. So, myself Puneet, and I was into my job up till March 2015, selling life insurance. I was heading Himachal and 5 branches, and then Sam, who owns this place, he was my school senior, and so I was in job, and then he always used to tell me, "Kya kar raha hai? Aaja, we'll do this, we'll do that." And one day finally I decided to quit my job and joined him, and we worked together, and I promote this property and a few more, and I have few small projects of mine as well, and this is my passion. So traveling is my passion, and for me also it's a holiday, so I cannot consider it as my work. So looking forward to loads of fun in next 10 days. So back to the briefing part. We will move in a convoy. So I will be the lead, and Kaku will be the sweep actually. He will be the last car, and Shibu sir and Jatin will be sweeping in between as per the requirement. On the radios which I have issued, we will be on channel 1. We will be on channel 1. We will be connected through these radios. Please make sure that whenever we go past some police guys or the check post, we have to hide them, because they are not legal. But why do we use them? Because the other radios, the president ones which are fixed in the cars, their range is very less, and in Spiti sometimes we need a long range. So we will be on channel 1 right away.
And for people who don't know how to use it, there's a PTT button. It says PTT is push to talk. Okay. So basically, what you do is, if first thing is you listen. If anybody, because it's a one-way communication. If we are 10 of us, with the radio, only one person can talk at a time. So if you want to talk, you press the button and call "Hi Puneet, this is Shibu calling." So basically you call the other person, and you also identify yourself. Otherwise, people don't know. Yeah. And wait for the person to stop, and then you should start. Okay. And sometimes what happens, because of the terrain where we are going, the signal may get lost. So you may have to repeat it again.
You have to say over when you are finished.
Yeah. So every time you have to say over. Means transmission is over, the other person can talk. Okay. So over is the other person to reply. All right.
So today is the day 1. We are all headed to Bagasaram. I'm really excited. It is a little bit of snow, a little bit of sun, and we're just waiting to hit the road.
Hello guys, today we are going to Bagasarhan, which is a long trip from here. We'll be there by nightfall or probably by the evening. So right now it's snowing very little, but and right now we are preparing for the expedition. So we all are lucky to go, and this time there will be more. It will be colder than the last time. And this is this year's first expedition. This time it is contributed by La Himalaya.
Hi everyone, this is Gaurav. This is second day in Narkanda, and we are going for a 4x4 Spiti winter expedition. We are going to Bagasarai, and honestly, I was planning for this trip from last 4 years, and this time I got a chance to do that. I am really worried, considering minus 25. I'm gonna manage. I don't know how I'm gonna manage it, but still, I'm excited. Just put the stickers on my car. Car is fully ready to go. Just finishing up last things and then we'll start. Thank you.
Yes, we have come from Andhra Pradesh, and for this Law Himalayas, we are going to Bagasara now. 4x4 in winter Spiti expedition. Yeah, come on, cheese up.
Hi, I'm Girish. I'm from Andhra, Visakhapatnam. We'll travel all the way around to see the snow and drive in the snow. So this is the first day. We enjoy it. I hope the things move as per the schedule. Bye.
See what happens is that smooth that even you are running on 120, you don't have to, you can leave your, if you have cruise you can leave at 120, you don't have to bother. And when you're running on 120, all you need is one deflection, that's it and you are done.
Awesome! एक बारी Come on! Yeah, buddy, you can do it! Come on! Well done!
Couple things we can match.
Please, buddy! Please, buddy! Wanna click? ऐसे
The food, and I think everyone of you enjoyed the evening yesterday. And so yesterday was quite cold, but not as cold as we are going to witness today onwards. And so today we are going forward towards Sangla. This is originally the journey is like not more than 5 hours, but the way we guys are driving, I think we will take 7 hours because we are pretty slow on the way because actual drive time from Narkanda to this place from the route which we have taken is only 3.5 hours, but we took quite a long time. And so we have to be today, it's my request that if we could drive little faster on the highway, because we will be driving on the highway for about 2.5 hours, 3 hours, so we can drive a little faster, catch up with each other, push each other, and but be safe. If you are if you think you are not able to drive faster, then it's okay. Sangla is one of the most beautiful valleys in Himachal. It is also known as mini Switzerland. The colors of the valley are extremely, beautiful in the month of September if you ever want to go. Right now we will find snow there. there will be snow, and the property where we are going today, it is the best property in this part of the region, but it used to be closed in winters. So they, wind up in October generally, and then set up the whole thing again in the month of April. For the first time exclusively for us, they are opening their property, and they are also experimenting. So there could be flaws because they have never been at that place in winters. So we have to appreciate that firstly they are allowing us to stay there, because generally people don't go, or like only stags or FIT, like small families go to Sangla in winter because they get some small homestays. Let's get whatever we are getting, let's have that and move forward, because sometimes it becomes difficult for the dhaba walas to make different things for different people. So it is a request, and especially Nityam, no Maggie Shaggy, wherever we are getting we will get, because we wasted 2 hours yesterday for lunch. If we had just eaten what we had got, we would have reached here in time, and maybe we would have enjoyed more. But any which ways, that's okay.
What happened is we thought Maggie is faster.
2 minutes.
so that was
yeah. So, and going forward, I have to say this: please don't expect anything. Expect to get a bed, expect to get food, and nothing else. So this is beyond my expectation what they did yesterday. So today onwards, let's mindset अपना हम रखें कि हमको basic facility मिल जाए, because beyond this अभी जैसे यहाँ पे भी you would have seen the pipes have frozen. तो आज के बाद everything will be frozen, and especially after Sangla in Nako, for all of us there will be only 3 toilets. So 2 will be like, because in those places the toilets also jam, so you just can't go. So these guys are making effort. I am in touch with the homestay owners there. I have requested them to keep the 2 toilets running. Otherwise we will have to use the dry toilet. तो अपना वो टाइमिंग भी उसी हिसाब से कि एकदम रश ना पड़े, जिसको जैसे जैसे करना है फ्रेशन अप वगैरह होना है, तो वो टाइम लगते ही करता जाए. Sangla, tomorrow we will be going to Chitkul. We will be driving on the snow, and I'm sure it will be great fun. We had a great time, and it was beyond expectation. Whatever you did for us, thank you so much. Today is the day when you can go to the ATMs and withdraw money. Beyond today, we will not get that opportunity. We will not get any ATM or anything. We will be refueling at Tapri today, but we need not fill up our cans today. Tomorrow we will be doing the filling up of cans and everything. And tomorrow we will also have to put the antifreeze, which Shibu sir is carrying. How much for per bottle, sir? So 540 rupees per antifreeze we have to pay him. So guys, it is a request that let's clear the financial thing. Let's not linger on with that. I would request you कि जिसने भी जिसका भी देना है वो आज दे दे. अगर कुछ pending है तो it's like important. Try to catch up with me. Car number 2 should catch up with me. Car number 3 should catch up with car number 2, and so on. So that we drive together. At some places we can also get a drone shot, some beautiful convoy shots, and like in the evening when we started uphill, it was so beautiful, because when I saw behind the convoy was looking so beautiful. So let's go together, okay? So right now after we leave this property, we will make the convoy here. We will have a drone shot here, and the next shot maybe after a kilometer when we are going down, because these are the 2 places where we can have a good drone shot and some video shoots. And any problem anybody is facing, please let me know. I am there to help you, support you, serve you. कुछ भी है issue तो बताएं. अभी तक anything with regards to anything. Any question?
No, all good.
Chalo, great, great. So let's go to our cars. Let's form the convoy. Let's have a good photo session and enjoy ourselves. Yes, sir.
Hey everyone, we are from car number 5, Piyush and Gaurav. Now we are moving to Sangla for our next halt.
Yeah, exciting day. Had a nice evening, some pujas and this nice morning, bright and sunny morning. And we are just starting towards Sangla, which is around what, 6 hours from here. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. It's a wonderful stay at Bagasharan. I didn't expect it. It's an awesome stay, and the weather and the climate, and as well as the surroundings of the forest. It's in the homestay. It's wonderful for us. Now we are traveling to further ahead to see the -2, 12 degrees temperature.
Hello everyone. Today we are heading to Sangla. We will call it mini Switzerland, and we'll get a lot of snow there. Now we are ready to put snow chains in our vehicles, and yesterday we had a blast here. Right now we are in Bagasara. It's a lovely place, meadows all over, and a lovely mountains you can see behind me. And today we wish us a luck that road should be clear today.
Hi, we got the site. We are in right now in the heart of the valleys of Himachal. So today we are moving towards the Sangla, okay, and we are on the Spiti Valley trip. So we are enjoying it a lot. Here's my partner behind the camera, Satyam. Love you, bro. Make sure you keep enjoying. That's all. On the back side. Hi, good afternoon everyone. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं चिटकुल के लिए. Chitkul is the last village of India on Tibet border. So we are with the La Himalaya for the Spiti expedition. ठीक है, और अभी वहाँ पे होगी snow driving. Okay, so we are with the convoy. There are the 16 vehicles in our convoy, and we are shooting them.
So we had an awesome drive yesterday, all the way up in the hills. It was a little after dark. The whole convoy was moving with lights on, and morning we could see the entire snow-capped mountains. We are now going to the last village, Chitkul, which is on the India-Tibet border. I'm really waiting to enjoy my car. I was getting briefed by Shibu. He was telling me how to drive the car because the first time I'm driving it. So thanks Shibu for that. It feels so nice and so safe to be in a company like this that you can just enjoy the moment.
Yeah, come on!
yesterday you were able to drive on snow, or rather little bit of ice, and now I hope that most of you have a hang of 4x4 high and how to drive on the ice. So today is the one we are going towards Nako, and the road to Nako is at some places it is very bad. There is the BRO is working to widen the road, so there's blasting and all that stuff happening on the way. So we need to be careful while driving through those patches, and most importantly we have to be in a convoy, because it can happen that 2-3 cars will go ahead and 2-3 cars will be left behind for hours. So I don't want that kind of situation. We should be taking around 6 hours to reach Nako. Today in Nako we will learn community living, and let's see how it goes. This is the first time that we are using Nako as a destination. Nobody, mind it, nobody ever has stayed in a group in Nako ever in winters. So we have to be cooperative. From today onwards we'll be living in homestays for next 3 nights, and homestay is not a commercial homestay, it is a actual home. So we have to behave ourselves. No demands at all. Bistra chahiye, rajai chahiye, jo bhi chahiye. There will be nobody, and if I see anybody demanding anything, sorry, please don't do that. Okay. Today we will be staying in a homestay. It is a okay homestay, so don't expect much. So far, we have had the great luxuries of the world, I think, in this part of the country. So let's be positive. Let's focus on being happy and enjoying whatever we get our way. Is that okay? Yes. Okay. And we will be refueling. I think petrol already you have filled. Today diesel we have to fill up our cans. 20, 30, whatever liters of fuel we have to fill. Today night all the cars except the petrol cars will be we will not switch them off. So those who have alternate keys, 2 keys, for them it is easy. For those who don't have 2 keys, it is safe, but don't keep expensive things in the car. Is that okay? Have you all brought 2 keys or just one? 2 keys, no? Good. You have only 1? No worries. So सामान फिर उधर रख लेंगे homestay के अंदर. And apart from that, the drive is little treacherous. ठीक है. We'll be moving along river Satluj. We'll be going past Khab bridge, where there is conjunction of river Satluj and river Spiti. They meet at that place, that is Khab. So we will stop there for some pictures. And what else? So we have to maintain the speed. Mostly it is highway driving, so we have to maintain a good speed, be in the convoy. Now the adventure begins. The real adventure begins.
Holiday ends, basically.
So Shibu sir, anything else? Are we missing any point?
Not really, but then if there is like if the temperature drops, maybe your windshield water might get frozen.
Yes.
So okay, so hope you guys have picked up vodkas.
Yes.
So
if not, we will buy.
Yeah. So then
at Spilo there is a theka, I think.
Yeah. So then like it becomes very very difficult, because like if it splashes and it freezes, you can't see anything. So we have to fill vodka in your windshield washer tank. So just remember that.
And those who are keen to drink also, they can, through windshield they can drink also. And let me tell you guys, Nako is a very very beautiful village. We must reach there before the sun goes down, and I am sure you all will enjoy. The lake is frozen. We have bought some 2-3 pairs of skates. If it is feasible, जिनको fit होगा वो skating भी कर सकते हैं अगर करनी होगी तो. ठीक है. So that's for now. And
one more thing, shooting stones.
so that is there. So today's why it is dangerous drive, because you will not know when a small or a big or a bigger boulder will come down. So pray to God that we are safe.
Keep an eye, and then like if you feel that something is dropping on your vehicle, that means like that area there are a lot of shooting stones. So please be careful, because even like my not this one, my Pune's vehicle and my vehicle has got a lot of dents on the top because of this. If they are small it's okay, but if they are big then we are and one more thing, like the same thing on the roads, sharp rocks and stones will be on the road.
Be careful with your
Tires.
chambers and tires. Okay, so I think we are good for now.
Sure.
And those who want to buy anything like medicine or anything, the only option is Sangla Bazaar right now. Thereafter it will be Spilo, and thereafter nothing. So no shops, nothing will be open beyond this place. So please buy, please stop. The convoy will move slowly, and those who are stopping can join the convoy. We will wait for you near the dam.
Good evening. We are here at the Ka village on the way to Nako, and we were supposed to reach our destination in an hour or so, but then unfortunately there is blasting going on by the VRO, which is usual routine work here in this terrain. So we have been asked to wait, and we don't know how much, maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, it can be 4 hours till the blasting is over and they clear the road. So here we are at the Ka village, waiting for BRO to clear the road, and everyone is waiting, and we are all having a great time because the location is amazing, weather is awesome, just 2 degrees Celsius, and we are at I think about 5,000-6,000 no sorry less than that, maybe about 3,000 or 4,000 meter above sea level. And down we can see the Spiti river as well, coming from far, and you can see the setting sun, and you can even see the cloud touching the peak. So how much more you can ask for? We are really enjoying it. Thank you.
We are, I guess, 15 minutes away from Nako, and we got stuck. There is a landslide ahead. Tentative timeline is 3 hours. So what we started doing, you can see, right? Opened the car, started music, and started dancing and drinking. That's all we can do in next 3 years. 3 years, sorry. Wow!
Right now we are in the Nako, and now we are going to the Nako lake. It's all freeze now. It's a frozen lake. You can look around. This is the Nako lake. Totally freeze. You can see. Show them. You can walk in this lake. Just come around and show you. And very tough fight for the villagers. There is no water facility because all water are freeze here.
Everybody, here we are at Nako Lake. It's frozen lake. It's completely freezed because of extreme winter. Today morning it was minus 16 degrees. Right now it's minus 12, and we are having fun.
हम बचपन से इसी यानी कि झील के ऊपर खेलते रहते थे। ऐसे स्केटिंग पहले बहुत थे, सारा गुम हो गए हमारे ना, पता नहीं अब किस किस के पास है। अब यानी कि 2-4 सालों से हमारा खेलना बंद हो गया, बच्चों का भी हो गया। नहीं तो हम पूरा ज़िंदगी यानी कि बचपन से अभी तक इसी झील के ऊपर स्केटिंग खेलते हुए बिता दिया हमने। अब आजकल के बच्चों को थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग कम हो गया स्केटिंग में, गलियों में घूमने का। अब ज़्यादातर ये पढ़ाई में ही चला हुआ है जी। हम लोग तो बस बचपन से इसी के ऊपर है, खेलना कूदना, स्केटिंग करना और भी सारे खेल कूद इसी झील के आसपास ही करते थे।
So guys, probably yesterday evening was the toughest for everyone here in the homestay because we were late. We got stuck for about 5 hours because of the landslide. But I think the community living that we did yesterday was also fantastic, and the real adventure was today and yesterday only. So now we are heading towards Gyu village. From Gyu we will go to Tabo to Dhankar, and then we will eventually reach Kaza. So we are still in Kinnaur village. We have still not entered Spiti Valley. So far so good. I am happy. We have enjoyed every bit of it, and I am sure every member of the team has also enjoyed. Thank you so much. Morning everyone.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to say that yesterday indeed was a very tough evening, and especially because we got stuck for 4 to 5 hours in the landslide zone, just 15 kilometers behind Nako. So I want to thank all of you for your cooperation, for not complaining much and adjusting to the difficult circumstances yesterday. And that's what is adventure is all about. And we are a great group, and I was happy that everybody was cooperating. And I hope all of you slept well. Other than 3 or 4 people, I think were not able to sleep well. Today we are heading to Kaza, the Spiti Valley, and so 4x4 winter Spiti expedition is actually, it starts from here onwards. Or yesterday, it really started. The road was risky and all those things. Today we'll be going to Gyu village first of all, which is after the checkpost. So we'll first cross the checkpost, that is Sumdo. There, please hide your walkie-talkies. Sumdo se Tibet border is only 12 kilometers. So we are very close to Tibet border. From there we'll go to Gyu. From Gyu we will have lunch at Hurling, and from Hurling then we will visit Tabo monastery, which is around 1000 years old. And from Tabo Monastery, if we have time, we will go up to Dhankar, see the monastery. It's a beautiful place, and then move to Kaza. In case we are going late, then we will miss on Dhankar and move to Kaza directly. So today the stay will be better than yesterday, and I am sure that all of you will enjoy the 2 days in Kaza. We are here for some fun, and tomorrow we are going to have some real good fun in the snow. So that's all in the briefing for today. Thank you so much. Thank you. And then now let's proceed to our next destination. Anything you want to ask? Any questions? There also there will be shortage of toilets, so we have to manage. Try to use dry toilets, all those who can, and for rest of the people there will be the other toilets, which are the modern toilets. Okay. We have lined up after crossing Nagpur village. We are waiting for you.
Perfect.
यहाँ पर हम इस तरह से
वाह 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 क्या बात है
Shoot it, perfect.
Merry Christmas,
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, perfect, sir. Merry Christmas, perfect. Thanks, sir.
Yes, Shari.
Awesome.
Shari means being an awesome host.
Gaurav Paji. Merry Christmas. Another.
अब अन्ना किसको कराएंगे? पीयूष पाजी.
अन्ना से
Merry
चौकन्ना.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Yes, bro. Rock on. Hi, good morning everyone. So today we are in Spiti, Kaza. So it's quite cold over here. The temperature in night is around -26 and in daytime temperature right now is -12. So as you all can see, snow everywhere. All the mountains, roads, everything is filled with the snow. So yeah, we are enjoying over here. Let's see. And as you can see, we all are packed up. But yeah, I'm little bit I'm not feeling that much cold because I'm okay with this weather. So that's all. As you can see everywhere, you can enjoy. That's it.
Guys, here we are, in Kaza, Himalayas, and we can see only mountains and mountains and mountains, nothing else. Snow-covered mountains. How much more you can ask for? This is, heaven on earth, and we are loving it and enjoying every bit of it. Thank you.
On top of the world, can't express my joy and experience. One must experience this.
Camera is on, roll.
Shoot.
Floor. Floor the pedal. Oh, keep going.
Perfect.
Keep going. Don't let the pedal go off. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going. Turn the steering left and right. To get traction. Keep going. Keep going. You can do it.
Perfect. You made it.
Keep going. Keep going.
Perfect.
Keep going. Turn your steering left and right to get traction. Keep going.
Very good.
Keep going. Stop and reverse. Within keep way to Bolero.
Keep rolling.
Yeah, it's moving. Keep going.
Good. Done. बधाई हो, आपका स्वागत है। गुलशन। What happened, my dude?
Oh, Land Rover, power of Land Rover.
I really enjoyed doing the donuts in the snow 2 times. I want to do it once more. It's been superb. I just love the Land Rover.
Guys, we are having so much fun here. I was running in the snow, fell down, freezing cold, minus 16 degrees Celsius, and we are loving it. Awesome experience. Thank you.
Perfect. Guys, good morning once again. We are in Kaza right now. So as here you can see, all our convoy vehicles are here. We are having some fun out here in the snow at helipad. So today we are going to the Kalpa. It's a long ride of 210 kilometers. So in next few minutes we are about to leave from here. We are just waiting here to get some group pictures and having some fun. That's it. Love you.
You are